Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to send videos without losing quality on Messenger. Let's begin. The first thing you need to do is make sure your Messenger app is updated to the latest version. Once updated, open a chat in Messenger. Here, you can either record a new video or choose one from your device. Before sending, look at the top of your screen where you'll see the HD option. Tap on it to enable high-quality video sharing. After that, simply select the video you want to send and hit Send. This will make sure the video is shared in better quality. Now keep in mind that Messenger has some restrictions. The maximum file size for a video is 15 MB. The recommended frame rate is 30 FPS, and the suggested duration is between 1 to 60 seconds. If your video meets these guidelines, it will be sent in the highest possible quality on Messenger. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll be able to send HD videos on Facebook Messenger without any hassle. So that's basically how you can send videos without losing quality on Messenger. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.